Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Video lectures, Class 2. Subject English, Lecture 2. Book name is Oxford Reading Circle. Unit 1, Mice. We have already started this unit and we have done the reading and explanation. We also did the dictation words of this unit. Today, we are going to do some sentences. There are 4 words of which you have to make sentences. 4 words are nice, mice, run, and small. I'm going to give you one sample sentence for each word for your convenience. But I also encourage the students to make their own sentences. The first word is nice. The sample sentence for nice is I think mice are nice. Second sentence is of the word mice. Mice have long tails. The third word is run. The sentence of this word is I can run very fast. The last word is small. The sample sentence is mice are small creatures. Now students, follow the pattern which is mentioned here on the slide. Make sentences in the same way. Make sure that you put full stops at the end and you start the sentence with a capital letter. Again, I want to encourage all the students to make sentences of their own. Okay, now moving on to our next work. It is of the same unit, Unit 1, Exercise C, Part 3. This exercise is on page number 11 of your Oxford Reading Circle books. So students, open that book in front of you and we will solve this exercise together. Exercise C, Part 3. In this, we have to unscramble the letters to find body parts. So, here are 12 words given, but the spellings are not in the correct order. You have to rearrange the spellings to make body parts. Let's do it together. First one is S-R-E-A. If you rearrange the letters properly, it becomes ears. Then, second one, E-N-O-S. After rearranging, it becomes nose. Next, O-T-E. It becomes the body part toe. Part D, E-N-G-O-U-T. Tongue. T-H-E-S-C. Chest. D-E-H-A. Head. E-K-E-N. Knee. D-E-A-R-H-O-F-E. It becomes forehead. G-R-E-N-I-F. Finger. P-I-L becomes lip. Height. H-I-G-H-T. If you rearrange it, it becomes thigh. H-O-D-R-U-L-E-S. The correct spellings are S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S, shoulders. So, this is the exercise. You have the answers with you. You can note them down in your copies and you better repeat them again for better understanding. This was today's lecture. If you have any questions relating to it, you can ask me. I'm here for your guidance. Thank you.